Drawing on the map. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to draw a new geometric on the map in Layer. After opening the Layer box, when we click on the Make New Drawing option from the menu of the layer to be drawn, the Point, Draw Line, Polygon buttons will appear according to the layer type. When we select the geometry type that we want to draw, the map opens automatically, and the drawing becomes active. After drawing on the map, double-click on the map or press the green tick button to finalize the drawing. The index and geometry type of the geometry are automatically filled in the page that opens. If there is other attribute information in the layer, attribute information can be filled in for that geometry at this stage. Then click the Save button to save the geometry to the layer. Geometries instantly drawn on the Drawings page are listed in the table. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.